Hi Queens, I want to talk about the crown behind me and why I'm wearing a cap. So, this is a full lace, Remy Yaki textured piece. And the beauty of a full lace is that you can part it anywhere. So I want to show you the inside of the cap. And it's the average size. There's the inside of the cap. And on top of being a full lace, this is actually a silk top. And what is a silk top? A silk top actually makes the piece look more realistic. It looks like it's growing out of the scalp, literally. So this piece is 12 inches long, and in about an hour or so I'm going to be blonde because I'm going to sew this piece on my head. And that's why I have on my purple satin bonnet. I have a braided base, and the reason for this type of braided base is to protect my real hair underneath the crown while it's underneath the crown. So I have a certain template going on here. I have a braid going across the top because I'm going to be sewing the piece on to ensure security. Also, I have it flat. Why do I have it flat? I don't want the piece to appear bumpy or bulky. I want it to be undetectable. So that's what's going on with me right now. In the next video, you're going to see me blonde, and I want you to stay tuned because you're going to find out about advice that I took from Nicki Minaj. See you next video.